Welcome to clickmeproject.com. The title is Improving Security and Efficiency for Encrypted Data Sharing in Online Social Networks. Go to abstract. Nowadays, data sharing through social network is a difficult in concern with security. The data transfer from one node to another through network should be more efficient and secure. There are various mechanisms proposed to avoid secure issues in the network transmissions of data. The cooperative key-based authentication scheme provides security for data transmissions in social network. The data transmitted from one end user is first encrypted using the Randall algorithm and Blowfish algorithm. The data then transmitted to the other end user is received first and decrypted for 2 times to retrieve the data, and then moreover, our scheme presents an efficient attributes revocations method that achieves both forward and backward secrecy. The security and performance analysis results indicate that the proposed scheme is secure and efficient in online social network. They encrypted and decrypted each 128-bit blocks separately. If the plaintext contains identical 128-byte blocks, as many text files to the blocks will be encrypted identically. This makes some of the plaintext structure visible in the ciphertext even to someone who does not have the key. The flow is user registrations and login. First one is random key generations. One data will be randomly generated. Two encryptions methods are used in these projects. One encryption is used to server side, another one is user side. One data can be sent from user to server with security key, and this data sent to trust party. Trust party means intermediate helper, and then TTP also. TTP means trust party. Trust party sent to server, and a server decrypt the data. Two techniques are used in these projects. One technique is random based technique, another one is password based techniques. Random based technique is encryption decryption process, and password based technique is assigning the key. And two algorithms are used in this encryption decryption process. One is Blowfish algorithm, another one is Randall algorithm. Blowfish and Randall algorithm is used to both forward and backward secrecy technique. Thus unauthorized access from the OSN service provider to the plaintext of the encrypted data should be prevented. In our proposed system, initially the data will be encryption format, then it will be decrypted twice. The data will be decrypted, then it will go to the re-encrypted format. We get the original information. It proposes a secure data sharing scheme in online social networks based on ciphertext policy, Blowfish algorithm, and based on re-encryption sharing algorithm. Let us see the demo. Go to next. In user side, new registrations and already register button, and go to new registration button and click here. User create a new account and enter this all details and first name. I give 10-digit number. Enter your mail ID. And password is, re-enter your password. Registration successful, and again log in your account. And login successful. Go to next. User sent through mail to server. The message is code sent through mail and server secure mail. User sent through mail to server. The secret code is 1263 and verify code is 1263, and go to search. Key generations. Key generations for the encryption data. The data values are automatically generated. It takes some few seconds. It is automatically generated for key generations by using keygen algorithm, and key generation successful. In user side, choose the one data. Browse this harder text file. Open this file, and this file content is google.com and www.yahoo.com. Encrypted the data. The data can send to trust party. The data owner only can modify the data and read the data. And data owner can modify the data and enter any and go to next. Check the password by using password field encryptions. Third party securing password is 1328. Search this key and click to TTP file. Cannot open this other else, and go to next. Modify data. Modify data is now and get original data. Server key is your mail password, and TTP key is this key, and get original data. Original data successful viewed google.com and yahoo.com. And this frame is server side. Enter the server code and re-encrypt the data by using Randall algorithm, and data has been re-encrypted. Finally, enhance the Merkle hash tree technique. Server 1, server 2, server 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and server 8. Server 8 data sent to server 7 and server 7 to server 6. It's also a data grouping process. All data are stored in server 1. And go to next. Graph of encryption and decryption data. Comparison. This graph is comparison between time and attributes. Encryption time and owner. X-axis is number of attributes in access policy. Y-axis is encryption time and owner. And go to decryption. X-axis is number of accessor attributes, and y-axis is distribution time on accessor. Black color is our scheme, and this one is proposed scheme. Thank you.